Goyal Brothers Prakashan presents the Illustrative Mathematics Series for classes 6 to 8. The series stresses enjoying maths over dealing with it as recommended by the NEP 2020 and incorporates NCF recommended Praman-based learning and Panchpadi pedagogical approach. With engaging online resources, curriculum goals and competency-based chapter content, and activities focused on hands-on learning, learners are ready to feel the fun and joy of doing maths. Let's learn more about the book. Every chapter begins with a warm-up for recalling what learners already know, so that learners begin with some familiarity with the chapter. Maths is better understood when explained in simple terms, and we have made sure that every concept is presented in an easy-to-understand language and connected to real-life examples, has plenty of solved examples to illustrate it, and wherever possible activities are provided under Maths Lab activity to develop understanding by doing. Once learners have gained a fair understanding of a topic, maths is all about applying and thinking, and practicing on a variety of questions refines our understanding. The Illustrative Mathematics Series features questions under various themes such as Learn by Doing, Apply Your Learning, and Think and Answer to enhance learning, enable critical thinking, and make learning even more enjoyable. The puzzle time questions feature head-scratching questions that trigger thinking through. Multiple-choice questions help learners explore different aspects of understanding. Competency-based and assertion-reason questions develop analytical thinking skills. Higher-order thinking skills or HOTS questions encourage logical thinking and developing problem-solving skills. Mental maths problems sharpen calculation skills and end-of-the-chapter exercises strengthen grasp over the core concepts of the chapter. Every once in a while, when learners want to distract themselves, the looking back into history boxes introduce learners to inspiring mathematics geniuses. Math starts making sense to learners when they see it being used in real life, and they can also find it useful in the activities they do. For that, case study-based questions are given to apply math to solve real-life problems. Art integration-based questions encourage learners to see the application of maths in art, and value-based questions allow learners to use maths to support their moral value-based decisions. In addition to inside the book features, plenty of resources are available for learners and teachers to enhance the learning experience. For learners, these resources include chapter-wise worksheets, maths glossary with illustrated examples, a summary of every chapter, and chapter-wise mental maths assignments. For teachers, we are providing the Teacher's Resource Book to help develop better lesson plans and frame detailed explanations to problems, and a downloadable ebook. Visit meritbox.app to purchase the book, or request a sample at info@goyal-books.com, or call us at the number on the screen for more information.